In this video, we will be creating an object instance of random. The goal is to create an object. In order to achieve this goal, we must work through each of the subgoals. The first subgoal is to declare a variable of the appropriate class type. The second subgoal is to assign to that variable the keyword new, followed by the class name, followed by parentheses. The third subgoal is to determine whether the parameters are appropriate by looking at the API, our Application Programming Interface. This has two parts. 1. What are the number of parameters? And 2. What are the data types of those parameters? Now, let's create an instance of the random class. We will begin with subgoal 1 and declare a variable of the appropriate class type. The class data type is random, so we have the class name, random, followed by the identifier, guess. For subgoal 2, we assign to that variable the keyword new, followed by the class name, followed by open and close parentheses. So we have guess equals new random. Subgoal 3 tells us to determine whether parameters are appropriate by looking at the API. Looking at the Java doc for constructing a random object, there are two possible random constructors. The first one has nothing between the open and closed parentheses. The second one has one parameter, long seed, inside the parameter list. We will choose the first one. In this case, the number of parameters is 0, so we do not need to worry about data types. So the statement stays the same. Guess equals new random, followed by open and close parentheses. Which brings us to our final answer for declaring an object of the class random. Random guess semicolon. Guess is assigned the value new random, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, semicolon. This will create a new instance of the random class to be held in the variable guess.